Hello, today we will be setting up the Java version of Bridges in the BlueJ IDE. The first thing you will need to do is download the Bridges jar file from the Bridges documentation website. Keep the Bridges website open so you can access it later. Put the Bridges jar file in a directory that is easy to access. Start BlueJ, and when it opens, navigate to Tools and then Preferences. Select Libraries, then click Add File. Navigate to the directory where you stored your jar file, select it, and then press OK. Now restart BlueJ and create a new project. I will name this one Bridges Test for simplicity. Now add a new main class to your project. Now open your main class to set the arguments and definition for your main method. Remove the X variable so that there are no errors. Now we will test that Bridges was linked correctly by borrowing some of the tutorial code from the Bridges website. Select Use Your Guide/Tutorials, then click the Erase tab. Scroll down until you find the Java code and copy the imports. Paste them above the class declaration. Next, copy the code from Create Bridges Object to bridges.visualize and paste it within the main method. Choose an assignment number and then add your username and API key to the Bridges object. Your username and API key can be found on the Bridges website under Profile once you've logged in. Bridges programs that pass visualizations to the server require an exception. Add the exception to the top of your main method, save, and run your program. After running your program, you should find a link in the console that you can copy and paste into a web browser to view your visualization. And that's it. Now you can build more Bridges visualizations with the BlueJ IDE. Check back to the Bridges website for more tutorials.